Monday morning sees a number of companies represented on the dock, but as the week goes on, that number will decrease. Up beside the entranceway, the concrete curbs formed up last week have been poured and are being finished. By day's end, the curbs will be tarped up and curing nicely. On the south finger, compressed air is being used to clean up the area around the vacuum mooring point. On the two ramp towers, final work is taking place on the adjustment mechanisms. As cleaning is seen on the north finger, we note too that the bollards are now secured and concrete filled. The same is true of those protecting the information screen. The cleaning theme is continued by one of the Sullivan team mopping out the entrance to the new terminal. Tuesday begins with the removal of some rubble from the entranceway. Overall, the impression across the dock is of an area that's increasingly clean and clear. Up in the main parking area, floats from the curtains removed last week are leaving the site. In a rare glimpse inside the terminal, there's some sort of masking taking place. Whatever the reason for this work, by the end of the week, the masking will all be gone. And we'll see workers from Sullivan placing benches inside the waiting area. Tuesday was actually a big day for Sullivan, as the company's senior vice president, Greg Sullivan, visited the site. Elsewhere, tidying up was very much the theme. Some items disappearing into scrap, others, like these supports used in the construction of the ramp, removed for later disposal. Wednesday will begin with some paint touch-up work around the site, but much of the day was spent on the water. There were buoys to be moved, and then it was time to remove the floating platforms from the basin. An initial attempt to lift them out over the fully depressed ramp using the telehandler proved unworkable. Plan B saw them being towed around the south finger to a position from which they could be lifted out directly from shore. In this way, each of the 3 platforms was removed effortlessly. Next morning, on a day that proved to be rather wet, there was no sign of the dock. They had gone already. Weather conditions certainly limited coverage this day, but there only appeared to be light tasks taking place, including some interesting work on some of the units atop the new passenger terminal. Friday, a much better day overall, saw the crew taking to the boats for a little bit of painting and decorating. These tasks really smack of finishing work. One ladder after another received attention, with all the work being done with painstaking attention to detail. Back on dry land, the same degree of care was being given to preparing for and conducting minor repairs on features arising from the construction process. I thought that it might be a nice idea, as we finish the update this week, and things appear to be winding up on the dock, to show the dock and the site against the context of downtown. I hope you agree. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and continue to follow it.